If your Android battery is draining quickly, one hidden reason could be always on display. Turning it off is an easy way to save extra battery life every day. Start by opening your phone's settings app. Once inside, scroll down carefully until you find the lock screen option. On some Android devices, especially Samsung or newer versions of Android, this section may be labeled as lock screen and AOD. Tap on it and look for the always on display option. When you open it, you will see a toggle switch. If the switch is turned on, it usually appears colored or highlighted. Simply tap on it once to turn it off. The switch will turn gray, confirming that AOD is now disabled. After turning it off, your phone screen will no longer stay partially active when locked. Instead, it will completely turn off, which helps reduce unnecessary battery consumption. This small change can make a noticeable difference, especially if you are someone who checks your phone frequently or struggles to get through a full day on one charge.